guys. It is a cold day here in Central Texas. But, as you can see, I'm in my truck. So, got it fixed, kind of. Got the wheel put back on. So, it's out of the shop. Got the wheel put back on it. And we're up and running again. Got the wheel back on. But as you can see, still got a little bit of bodywork damage. I can't even open the door right now. But now there's kind of another issue. My transmission is dying on me. Which, you know, I was totally expecting this. Transmission's probably got, you know, I'm not exactly sure how much because I have a new speedometer. But I think it's like probably somewhere around 210 to 215,000 miles on this truck. So transmission's seen some things, it's had some life. So yeah, that's not a surprise. So a little bit of a bummer there, but other than that, doing good. So I'm not completely sure as of yet if I'm gonna just buy a new truck or try to fix this one. Whatever happens, I'm keeping this truck. Put way too much into this to try and sell it. I mean, you're not gonna get a lot for a 03 Ram 1500. I don't care what you've done to it. Nobody's gonna pay that much for it. So it's not worth trying to sell. So eventually it will get fixed one way or another. But I don't know for right now if I should just get a new truck or fix this truck. So we'll see. But whatever happens, I'll be making more videos about it. So, but what this video is about is, this is KB Studios' first year. This is my first year with the YouTube channel, making videos. So, I mean, super excited. I've been doing it a year now. Had a lot of fun with it. I think we've got like 35 subscribers now. Over 15,000 views. You know, it's not a lot. I'm still a small channel, but it's better than I expected, honestly. So, I mean, I'm happy. It's just a hobby, really. I'm not expecting to be making money off YouTube, but, you know, it's just a fun hobby that I've been enjoying doing. You know, everything I've done in my truck so far, I've had a lot of fun doing it, and not done yet. Hopefully, we'll get this truck situation figured out, and we'll be right back to making more videos. Hopefully 2022 will have a lot more good videos. I want to hopefully find a lot more trucks to review, more parts. We'll see how it goes. I hope maybe we'll find a TRX this year, maybe. With that being said, that's how we gotta have the flashback of what we've done this year. So I had a little clip of some of the things we've done this year. So thank you all for your views, your subscriptions, your comments. Appreciate all the feedback. Hope you all enjoy the videos, and we'll be trying to make more and more. So, all right.